Hello, good day viewers. Here is question number 7 of WAEC 2023 Mathematics Examination. It also contains A and B parts. Let's start with A part. Alright, here is 7A. The question reads, the sum of three numbers is 81. The second number is twice the first number. Given that the third number is 6 more than the second number, we're asked to find the numbers. Alright, let's get started. I would like to declare the first number here, first number, second number, and third number. All right, let the first number be x. Second number will be 2x. Why? Because they said the second number is twice the first number. Then the third number will be what? 6 plus the second number. That is 6 plus the second number, which is 2x. And if we add all the three numbers together, we are going to get 81 according to the question. So therefore x plus 2x plus 6 plus 2x must be equal to 81. Then x plus 2x plus 2x will give us 5x's. So I have 5x's to the left. I would like to take this one to the other side. It will be 81 minus 6. Which is 75. 5x is equal to 75. You divide both sides by 5. You have x equal to 75. Divide by 5, which is 15, right? And x is equal to 15. So having obtained this, now let us back substitute. First number will be what? 15, since it is x. Second number will be what? Twice the first number, that is 2 times 15, which is 30. And the third number will be what? 6 plus 30, which is 36. And if you add all of these three numbers, you must get 81. So this is all about A part. Let us move on to the B part. The question reads, given that the points P, which has the coordinate 3, 5, and Q, which has the coordinates -5, 7, on the Cartesian plane such that R, which is also a point that contains coordinates x and y, is a midpoint of PQ. So it's halfway between P to Q. We're asked to find the equation of the line that passes through R and is perpendicular to PQ. Let us make a simple sketch here. Suppose we have a straight line here. This is P, this is Q. The coordinates are given. For P is 3, 5. For Q, it is -5, 7. And R is somewhere in between, which has the coordinate x, y. We need to find this x, y. Let us find them first before we continue. Midpoint, you take the corresponding coordinates, add them, and divide by 2. So for R, it will be 3 plus -5, which is the same thing as -5, divided by 2. For y coordinate will be 5 plus 7 divided by 2. If you simplify this, you have coordinate of R to be 3 minus 5 is -2 divided by 2 is -1. Then 5 plus 7 is 12 divided by 2 is 6. So here we have -1, 6. So the coordinate here is -1, 6. But the question stated that we should find an equation that passes through R and is perpendicular to PQ. Any line that is perpendicular to PQ will bisect it at right angle. So it is going to be a straight line that passes through R, and it must form a 90 degrees here. So what is the relationship between this line that we are about to find and PQ? Their respective slopes must be negative reciprocal of each other. And hence, let us find the slope of line PQ first. So slope of line PQ will be equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is equal to you can choose to start from anywhere. If I decide to start from P, I have 5 minus 7, that's y coordinates, 5 minus 7. Then we have 3 minus 5, that is 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, because minus is plus. This will give us what? Negative 2 to the top, because 5 minus 7 is negative 2, and 3 plus 5 is 8. And if you reduce this to the lowest term, you have negative 1 divided by 4. What is going to be the slope of the line we are looking for? Slope of the line L1. It is going to be negative reciprocal of this, I told you, which is going to be 4. Because if you take reciprocal of this, you're going to get 4 divided by negative 1, which is negative 4. Its negative will be 4. So this is one of the things we need. Therefore, to find that equation, because they say at R, it passes through R, and R has the coordinates negative 1, 6, which we have obtained recently, negative 1, 6. So we have y minus y1 equal to the slope, which is 4. Or let me write everything in full. That is m for the slope, x minus x1. So y minus, what is y here, is 6. You can see that here, equal to m, which is 4. Then x minus 1, which is plus 1. And from here, you can take negative 6 to the other side. We have y equal to, let us expand this first. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 1 is 4. As this crosses over, it becomes positive 6. Simplify, you get your final equation, 4x plus 10, because 4 plus 6 is 10. And hence, this is the equation which is perpendicular to the given line PQ that passes through the point R. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Now let us move on to question number 8.